Research shows Earth is currently between two ice ages. When will the next ice age arrive? As we know, Earth's last little ice age occurred at the end of the Ming Dynasty. At that time, civilizations around the world were all affected. Later, with the Industrial Revolution, the greenhouse effect began to take center stage. But from a long-term perspective, today's Earth just happens to be between two ice ages. Scientists predict the next ice age will arrive as early as 100,000 years from now. By then, the entire Earth will be frozen. However, if carbon dioxide emissions continue to rise, the ice age's arrival will also be delayed. Looking at Earth's history, the first ice age occurred 2.5 billion years ago. At that time, blue-green algae multiplied extensively, increasing Earth's oxygen content and reducing greenhouse gases globally. This led to the Huronian Ice Age. For the next 300 million years, the entire Earth was covered by endless glaciers, extending from the poles all the way to the equator. Although Earth thawed in later eras, ice ages still came periodically, like the Cryogenian period from 720 to 635 million years ago, and several later smaller ice ages. The last major ice age humans experienced ended 20,000 years ago. At that time, glaciers covered present-day Poland and all of Germany, as well as most of France, extending all the way to the Alps. But with its end, humans also began around 10,000 years ago to formally develop civilizations around the world. According to scientists' research, the last ice age may have been related to Antarctica's final separation from Australia and South America, to some degree, because the formation of the Drake Passage and the vast ocean between Antarctica and South America created cold currents flowing along all of the continent's coastlines. If global warming suddenly accelerates, Earth's average temperature will rise enough to melt the polar ice caps. This would cause sea levels in all the world's oceans to rise dramatically. Large coastal areas would sink below sea level. Since human civilization's technological centers are mostly located in coastal areas, the losses would be immeasurable. However, given current technological progress, this runaway greenhouse effect doesn't seem likely to occur on Earth, because as early as a few hundred years from now, human civilization will master controlled nuclear fusion. By then, this clean energy will replace traditional fossil fuels, helping human civilization become a Type I civilization. Entering the space age, Earth's heavy industry will also migrate to space. Metal resources will be obtained by mining asteroids, rather than Earth's mineral deposits. Human development traces on Earth will greatly diminish. Within a few centuries, it could return to pre-industrial revolution levels, becoming a giant garden. Compared to the greenhouse effect and global warming, what scientists worry about more is actually changes in Earth's magnetic field. Because Earth's magnetic field has reversed many times in history, the reversal of magnetic poles could potentially paralyze navigation systems. A drop in Earth's core temperature would also weaken magnetic field strength. In this case, Earth could potentially become a second Mars. Overall, Earth is not a planet that will allow human civilization to live worry-free forever. It will definitely become uninhabitable in the future. What we can do is, before Earth becomes inhospitable, spread out quickly in the universe, or at least within the solar system, becoming a multi-planetary species.